Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you send a long video from iPhone or iPad. So guys, you can send a long video through mail. So just go to mail. Now in the bottom right side, click on the new mail option. So guys, here you can see the new message option, and in the two option you need to just type the recipient's mail. Now after that, just click on subject. You can just name any subject you want. Now in the message box, just long press like this and just scroll here. Here you can see insert photo or video. Click on it and just insert a long video that you want to send. Here you can see I have selected a video. Now go back and click the top right this arrow icon, and the mail has been sent. If you click the top left is mailbox. If you click on send, you can just see the message. Here you can see. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.